this one, but W is allowed to use twice.
Alright, so for those of you who don't know how we operate, we rolled into town on Monday. We had 2 hours of grueling auditions where we made them say lines and sing and dance and jump through hoops and do all kinds of tricks, which is true. And then, after we put them through that torture, we said, you know what? All of you are cast! And they went, yeah! We went, awesome. And then we said, that's not it. Some of you have to stay for another hour of rehearsal right now! And they went, me! No, me! And we went, yes! We have had 4 hours of rehearsal at a clip, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, even yesterday before their first show. And they are amazing. They had a wonderful time all week. We had a wonderful time with them. We cannot wait for you to see their final performance.
Awesome. At this time, we're going to ask you please turn off all cell phones, pagers, alarm watches, screaming children. There's a switch right behind the right ear. Just go ahead and flip that down. Now they'll go. And then at the end of the show, just click that right back up. They'll be good as new. Also, at this time, we ask that you turn off the flashes on your camera. Go ahead and turn those off right now. At the end of the show, we will have a photo call where you can take as many photos as you like. But during the show, those flashes are very bright and very distracting. We don't want anyone accidentally tumbling off into the first row. First row, I don't know if they're quite ready for that yet. So we just want to make sure that we're all good to go. Also at this time, please make sure that all personal belongings are kept out of the aisleways and any small children out of the aisleways, because actors and actors will be using this throughout the entire show, so please keep all of that clear of personal belongings. Awesome!
Perfect. So, we just want to make sure that you are as ready for this show as they are. We take some time to make sure that they are warmed up. We're going to warm you up too. So, we're going to warm you up with rounds of applause. We're going to go from a 1 all the way to a 10. A 1 is a sensible golf clap. A 10 will involve you literally rising from your seats in thunderous ovation for these kids. All right, so now that we're clear, we're going to start with the 1. Golf clap, noses high. Here we are. Yes, golf clap.
Oh yes. How did you hear about the royal baby?
Hey, yes, it's a big ghastly. All right, how about a 2? All right, give me a 3. Put your noses down. You don't need them up anymore. Put them down. All right. Show me a 4. All right, give me a 5. Okay, give me a 6. Okay, come on, bring it on, 7. All right,
like you were doing the wave. You're like, don't really want to stand up, sit right back down. Please, ladies and gentlemen, keep that up anytime that we are on stage.
That's right. The kids.
The kids. And anytime the kids are on stage,
the
the more energy you give them, the more energy they will give you. So please, sit back, relax, and enjoy Pinocchio!